the Bacardi Special. You'd be forgiven if you thought this was a secret, limited edition drink made for that elderly regular who only orders Bacardi and Coke, who everyone suspects is a Freemason, buried his wife under the patio, who is the head of a coven, a Satanist, when in reality he is a retired postman who goes for a drink after playing golf. The ingredient lineup: I've kept true to form and gone for white rum, which is Bacardi. Gin, I've gone for a smooth Plymouth, Grenadine and fresh lime juice. Let's kick this off by adding 1.5 ounces, that's 45ml of rum to our shaker. Follow this up with 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5ml of gin. Add 1/4 ounce, that's 7.5ml of Grenadine. Lastly, add 1/2 ounce, that's 15ml of fresh lime juice. Add ice and shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History-wise, this is a variation of the Bacardi Club cocktail. It began to appear in Harry Craddock's Savoy Cocktail book, where he credited it to newspaper columnist Carl Kitchen. Double strain this into a chilled coupe glass, then garnish with a cherry on a pick. The taste test. This is good in an unexpected way. Ingredient wise, it's simple, but there is a uniqueness about how the rum and gin complement each other. This has the right amount of sweetness to me, and the lime balances this drink out well. Also, it has a great fiery red colour. This is one to try out and a good one to memorise.